Hello, good morning everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Here I am driving north on Morse Boulevard, and I am passing the Hacienda Hills Golf Club right there. I am going to bring you an update to the Villa Marbella Courtyard Villa homes that are being sold here in the north. There's a sneak peek at the Villa Marbella homes. The final home is going to be listed for sale today. I will also talk about some amenities that the developer is selling to the district in the south. Here I am at the Cordoba Postal and Rec Center. Stay tuned, friends. I'll provide an update. Here we are at the Cordoba Postal and Recreation Center. That's located right off of Morse Boulevard, right over there. People are gathering for their pickleball session. And today is the update video. The final home in the Villa Marbella neighborhood is being listed for sale by the Villages, Florida today. For those new to the channel, welcome. My name is Tim. I do Villages related content. The Villages is a 55 plus community located in Central Florida. And these homes are unique in that they are brand new courtyard villas that were built on the former site of the Hacienda Hills Golf and Country Club. The developer demolished the country club a couple of years ago and built 24 new homes here in the northern part of the Villages, which is a rare find. Most of the new homes are being built in the southern part of the Villages. And I've done a video series on these homes, and you can refer to those prior videos on my channel. I do appreciate it. Feel free to share those videos with your friends. And here is the final home that was listed at 8 a.m. today, Friday, December 20th. The address is 1232 Cadiz Terrace. This is a Charlotte model courtyard villa that is made of tilt wall construction. Concrete walls are made in a factory, shipped to the job site, and put into place with a crane, using a crane. They used to make these homes of block and stucco. And this is a very unique neighborhood in that these homes do not have a bond. They do not carry a bond. A bond is a separate payment you make each year for the infrastructure costs, including the roads and the sewers, the gutters. I just wanted to give you one last showing. Please leave door unlocked. This home has composite plank flooring. It has carpet in the bedroom. And this home is the last home available for sale. This home is located on an extra deep lot. And that extra deep lot has a $19,000 premium. I wanted to show you around the outside of the home. I wanted to show you the extra deep lot as well. So the lot charge is an additional $19,000. These homes do come with tankless hot water heaters. That's what that is. These homes also have natural gas. All these homes have quartz countertops, composite plank flooring. Some of the homes have carpet in the bedrooms, and some have composite plank floors in the bedrooms. And this home is going to be listed at $392,917. And that is the final home. All these other homes have been sold or are pending, and people will need to close these homes within 30 days. Otherwise, they might come back on the market. And if you're interested in one of these homes, please keep checking the Village's website, because some of these buyers that buy these homes will back out of these homes, and those homes will come back on the market for sale. So keep checking the Village's website. You do need to work with a Village's real estate sales individual. If you want to buy one of these homes, you can see it looks like some people are starting to move into their homes. These homes have no bond, low maintenance assessment fees. Annually, you pay a maintenance assessment fee. These should run around the $380 to $400 a year mark. And they're located in Community Development District Number 1. They're also located very close to shopping. Spanish Springs Town Square is that way, about 5 or 10 minute golf cart ride. US 441, where all the shopping is located that way, about 10-minute via car ride. So there's your Villa Marbella update. The final home has been listed for sale. I'll just take you through a walk of this neighborhood. There's also some news, and I received this news from the villages-news.com website. And the title of the news article is called "Last Minute Recalculation of Amenity Sale Results in a Gain for the Developer." A $9 million gain for the developer. That's the title of the news article. And I just kind of wanted to read it to you. A last minute recalculation in the sale of amenities south of State Road 44 has provided a more than $9 million gain for the developer. The Sumter Landing Community Development District Board agreed to the revised price during a meeting this past week at the district office. The board had agreed in October to hire a consulting firm to determine a price for the amenities located in the Community Development Districts 12 and 13. CDD 12 includes the villages of Fenney, DeLuna, DeSoto, Linden, and Monarch Grove. CDD 13 includes the villages of Bradford, Case and Hammock, Chitty Chatty, Citrus Grove, Hawkins, Richmond, St. Catharines, and St. John's. The recreation facilities to be purchased using residents' amenity money include 5 executive golf courses, 28 swimming pools, recreation centers, pitch and putt courses, softball fields, and dog parks. So just to give you a description, when the developer develops these neighborhoods as well as the amenities, i.e. executive golf courses and swimming pools, that developer will sell those assets to the community development district. The previous value had been calculated to be $246.49 million. However, it was later discovered that there had been an error in the calculations of the units to be included. Therefore, the new price is $255.8 million. The purchase will be financed with bonds to be paid off by residents paying amenity fees south of County Road 466. The sale is expected to close in February. So there you have it. Not only do the residential districts take out bonds to pay the developer for the infrastructure like these roads and sewers, but the amenity funds, the Lake Sumter Amenity Fund is a separate, unique funding source. They also take out bonds to pay the developer for the amenities. And the original calculation omitted some of the units, residential units, and that's what they're referring to in the article as a unit. They calculate amenity fees and maintenance assessment fees by the unit, and they break down all of these neighborhoods into separate units. And I'm not sure if there's a map online that you can find out what that unit is. But a unit is different than a neighborhood, and it's different than a district. So they break down these districts into many different units of homes. There are a certain number of homes in those units, and those homes are the homes that are calculated to contribute to those amenity costs. So essentially, the developer is selling recreation assets that are located in districts 12 and 13. And the Lake Sumter Amenity Board needs to take out a bond, essentially a loan, to pay the developer for those assets. And the Lake Sumter Amenity Fund is funded by all residents located south of County Road 466, all the way through districts 13. That would be essentially districts 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So all the residents in those districts contribute amenity fees monthly. They go into the Lake Sumter Amenity Fund, and those amenity fees will be paying off the bond that was used to pay the developer for those amenity assets. That is a simple way to explain it. It is very complicated. The Villages has many different funding sources, many different funds. They have several different amenity funds, but the Lake Sumter Amenity Fund is the fund that is responsible for the amenities located south of County Road 466, all the way through district number 13. I wanted to bring you that piece of news update. And the original calculation back in October, they must have omitted some of the residential neighborhoods in the south. And then they must have caught their error recently and included those assets in those neighborhoods in the south. So $255 million worth of assets will be purchased by the Lake Sumter Amenity Fund. Those bonds will be taken out. The owner, the developer, will be paid, and the bonds will be paid off probably over 30 years using the amenity fees for those residents located south of County Road 466, districts 5 through 13. There is your update, friends. I do appreciate you watching my videos, sharing my videos, and I'll leave you with this last look of the last home here in the Villa Marbella neighborhood that went on the market today. These homes have been selling in the same day they have been listed, so there's a good chance this home is already sold. $392,917 for the Charlotte model courtyard villa, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, somewhere around that 1,500 square foot area. That is my update. Have a good day, everyone. Have a great weekend. Have a safe holiday as well. Take care, everyone. Stay safe.